Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Friday afternoon from where else but the New York Stock Exchange, and I'm in a great mood. The sun is out, the weather is nice. The New York Islanders winning last night, Stanley Cup playoffs, and the weekend is almost here. And that can only mean one thing. It's not quite 4 o'clock. The markets will soon be closing, but here at Modern Wall Street, we always get the party started early on Fridays. Why? Because it's an early happy hour here in the Big Apple. U.S. stocks, they're mostly lower this Friday afternoon following mixed economic data as well as a slide in oil prices. And that's exactly where we'll begin today with oil as energy. The sector itself traded more than 1% lower, with crude oil prices off by more than 3% in afternoon trade to be just above $40 a barrel. Now, major oil producers led by top exporters Saudi Arabia and Russia plan to meet in Qatar this Sunday to discuss freezing output at current levels in an effort to contain a global supply glut. Meanwhile, economic data mixed this session. The Empire State Manufacturing Survey rising 9 points in April to 9.6. That's its highest level in more than 1 year, while industrial production, that fell 0.6% in March. That's a larger decline than expected. Also, the preliminary consumer sentiment read for the month of April coming in 89.7, missing expectations, calling for a slight rise to March's final read of 91. And you team all of that with a slide in global stocks, gold seeing a slight rise, and today marking options expirations, then you have yourself a session right behind me where 5 stocks have fallen for every 4 advancers. Let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up, not just to close out this session, but the week as well. And on the corporate front, Citigroup posting first quarter earnings per share of $1.10, falling 27% from $1.51 a share 1 year earlier, while revenue for the quarter came in at $17.55 billion, below expectations. However, earnings that managed to beat expectations. And rather than conclude with more talk about the corporations, we always end Fridays with sports. I'm getting too excited now. The New York Islanders tonight against the Panthers, as well as Sunday over in Brooklyn. Chelsea FC, Man City tomorrow afternoon, New York City time. That'll be a great one. The NBA playoffs starting this Saturday. NASCAR in Bristol Sunday. I think it's the Food City 500. And the New York Mets are off to Cleveland for interleague play starting today. And with that, I hope you enjoy your weekend. Kick back, relax, enjoy the weather, and I'll see you guys all on Monday. For Modern Wall Street saying, I got to get out of here, I'm James Sweeney.